Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to broadcast on Bigo Live. If you'd like to make a live broadcast on Bigo Live, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Tap open your Bigo Live application first and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're signed in to Bigo Live, tap on the blue button at the bottom of the screen in order to start your broadcast. This will open up your camera screen. At the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see lots of options from Multi-Guest Live, Live, Audio Live, and Game Live. You can choose your live broadcast any way you like. If you'd like to broadcast and watch live games on Bigo Live, then you can go ahead and choose the Game Live option. Add a title to your chat at the top of the screen. Now, after you're set, tap on Choose Games from the options. Select any game that you would like to broadcast from the list displayed on the screen, and after you're done, simply tap on Go Live. If you'd like to broadcast Audio Live, then you'll need to choose the Audio Live feature from the bottom of the screen. Similarly, type in the title for your chat and select the tag for your broadcast by tapping on Select Tag at the top left. Choose a tag and now tap on OK. After everything's set, tap on Go Live button at the bottom of the screen. Similarly, you can simply go ahead and tap on Go Live in order to start a live broadcast. With the live option, you'll be the host of the live video streaming. Also, you can invite others to join in to your show. If you choose the multi-guest live option, then you'll be able to start a group chat with friends face-to-face in 4 seats, 6 seats, and 9 seats. Choose your seats and then simply tap on Go Live to start your live broadcast. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.